Hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and in today's video, I got lucky and got a hold of a couple of defective Teslas here, and so I'm gonna salvage these things and get the batteries out of them and put them into my system. So I'm gonna go through with the breakdown on these and see what it takes to get into these and how we can get these batteries out. So I'm going to start off by, it looks like the only way to get into this right now, the first thing is to take this back cover off here. So I'm going to shut down the camera here, get this off, and when I'm getting to get done, show you what we got to look at on the inside. So be right back. Alright, so I got all the screws out of this thing here, and this thing is stuck, cracked open just a little bit, but it just won't come apart. And I just noticed here that this system has some liquid cooling in it. There's a radiator right there. So I got to probably disconnect all that stuff first before this can come out. And I got to get into the top of this right here to get at all that stuff. So this is all spot welded right along in here. So what I'm going to end up having to do is take my side grinder and just cutting the top off this thing here so I can get access to it. And let me tell you something, this metal's pretty thick. It's not going to be easy cutting through this thing. So anyways, let me get tools out and get started on that, and we'll get back and we'll see what happens after that's off. Okay, so I got the top cut off, and what comes out of the top is this fan assembly, which sucks air through the vents that are on the side and blows it through this radiator. So anyways, I got to cut all these wires loose, but the connections for the cooling lines appear to be underneath this piece of metal here. So I got some more cutting to do. I'm probably gonna have to cut the hell out of this case to get into it. Anyway, so we'll be back with another segment here after I get some more done. Alright, well, it looks like it's going to be a little more difficult getting inside than I thought it was going to be. Didn't really have much to go with cutting off the top here, so what I'm going to end up doing is taking it and cutting it across the opening here, across the back and the front, and that'll give me ability to take this whole piece here off the top here and see what I've got to work with on the inside. So anyways, that's going to take some doing. That's a lot of cutting there, and we'll be back for the next part. Alright, so we got the top off, and there's all the coolant lines there, and there's a whole bunch of them, and I don't know how to I don't know how I'm going to get the coolant out of here without making a mess. So it's probably going to end up being a pretty messy job here trying to get this done. What I can see now is down below where the battery packs are at, and this is actually disappointing to me. I was watching another video where the guy was pulling out Tesla battery packs, and they were 24 volt manageable size packs, whereas these right here look like an entire sheet from one side to the other of batteries, 2 layers thick. And you can see well, I don't know how well you can see it, but there's 2 layers of these batteries here. And if they happen to be 48 volts, then I'm out of luck with these, and I'll probably have to sell these to a salvage yard or something like that. But hopefully the 2 halves are 24 each, and that way I can use them because my system is 24 volts. So anyways, I'm going to continue on here pulling this apart and see what comes out of all this. So be back here shortly. Okay, so I'm going to have to lay this thing down on the side to drain the fluid out of the radiator system. And just a suggestion for you guys, because these things weigh about 300 pounds, you don't want to try to lay this thing down by yourself. And if you do have to lay it down by yourself, get a long board like I've got right here, and you can use that for a lever where you can lay it down and not strain your back so damn hard. Alright, well, let me get that done and we'll get back to the next part. Well, gang, it looks like this is going to turn out to be one big mistake for me. It turns out this is one solid solid battery bank. There's not two pieces or sections or something like that. That one might be 24 and another 24. It's just one solid 48 volt battery pack. So I'm needing the 24 volt system, so I can't use these. So I guess I'm going to have to put them up for sale and hope I can get my money back and hopefully some more. So anyways, that's going to be the end of this video. There ain't going to be any more on this. Catch y'all later. Bye.